How to set up your work email on Outlook 365. In this video, I will show you how can you easily set up your work email in Outlook 365. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Microsoft 365 Business Standard in your laptop or PC, and in the first page you need to provide your email. Then click on Next, and if the email is recognized, that means you already have an account. If not, you will be directed to this page where you need to provide all your details to create a new account in Outlook 365. So provide your first name, middle name, last name, business phone number and all the other details. After that, now you need to purchase a subscription of Outlook 365. Look at all the subscription offer and pick a suitable one for you. After you are chosen, simply click on Next. Then now you need to verify your business identification. So for that, you need to enter your domain name. To verify the identification of your business, you simply need to click on I have added TXT record, and after you click on it, to select your TXT record, you will be directed to this application, and here you need to choose the option of domains in SSL. From here, you will be able to verify your business identification. After that, you need to create an email for yourself. So in the third step where it says create your business identification, enter your name, then the password, and then again to confirm your password. After that, click on sign up. Now, the last step is to complete the payment and billing process. After you have entered the address, you simply need to click on next, and then you are good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can set up your work email on Outlook 365. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.